Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see 5 astonishing facts about our planet Earth. As you know, our Earth is very big and have many things which we have not discovered yet, so without further delay let's start with our first unknown fact. Number 1. Earth is a planet that is teeming with life. Scientists estimate that there are more than 8.7 million species of living organisms on Earth, ranging from tiny microbes to massive whales. Each species has evolved unique adaptations to survive in its specific environment, from the harsh deserts to the deep ocean trenches. These species are interconnected and rely on each other for survival, forming complex ecosystems that sustain life on our planet. Unfortunately, many of these species are currently threatened by habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change. And their continued survival is essential for the health of the planet and our own well-being. As humans, it is our responsibility to protect and conserve the rich diversity of life on Earth. Not only for its intrinsic value but also for the benefits it provides to us, including food, medicine, and clean air and water. So think twice before throwing that chip packet. Number 2. The world's oceans contain a staggering amount of gold, estimated to be around 20 million tons, which is much more than the total amount of gold ever mined on land. However, the concentration of gold in seawater is extremely low, at about 0.1 to 2 parts per billion, making it uneconomical to extract. Despite this, there are ongoing efforts to develop new technologies to extract gold from seawater, which could potentially provide a new source of this precious metal. In addition, mining for gold on land can have severe environmental impacts, including deforestation, pollution, and habitat destruction. With the increasing demand for gold, finding sustainable and responsible ways to extract it, such as from seawater, may become increasingly important in the future. Why our planet is not called as a golden ball. Number 3. The sky appears blue because of a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering. As sunlight enters Earth's atmosphere, it encounters gas molecules, such as oxygen and nitrogen, that are much smaller than the wavelength of visible light. These molecules scatter the sunlight in all directions. However, blue light has a shorter wavelength and is more easily scattered than other colors, so it is scattered more often in all directions, giving the sky a blue hue. At sunrise and sunset, when the sun is lower in the sky, the light must travel through more of the Earth's atmosphere. And the blue light is scattered in all directions, making the sky appear red or orange. Then what is the real color of the sky? Number 4. The origin of life on Earth is a complex and still unresolved question, but scientists believe that a combination of several factors contributed to the planet's ability to sustain life. One key factor is the location of Earth in our solar system. It orbits at just the right distance from the Sun, which allows it to have a stable temperature range that is neither too hot nor too cold for liquid water to exist. Water is essential for life as we know it, and the abundance of water on Earth is another critical factor in making it a life-sustaining planet. Another factor is the Earth's magnetic field, which protects the planet from the harsh solar wind and cosmic radiation that would otherwise strip away its atmosphere and make life impossible. The Earth's atmosphere, with its protective ozone layer, also shields us from harmful ultraviolet radiation. Additionally, the presence of a diverse range of organic compounds and minerals on Earth, along with its geology and tectonic activity, have all played a role in making it a habitable planet. The origins of life on Earth remain a mystery, but scientists believe that it may have emerged from a combination of these factors. Reactions also took place in the primordial oceans. Whatever the exact origins, Earth's unique combination of factors has made it a hospitable home for life for billions of years. and the continued preservation of our planet is essential for the survival and flourishing of life in the future. It's hard to imagine that time. Number 5. The First and Second World Wars had a profound impact on the course of human history, and if they had not happened, the world as we know it would be significantly different. The First World War, which began in 1914 and lasted for 4 years, claimed the lives of millions of soldiers and civilians and had a devastating impact on the European continent. It led to the downfall of several empires, the redrawing of national borders, and the rise of new nations, setting the stage for the Second World War. If the First World War had not happened, it is possible that the geopolitical landscape of Europe would have been very different. And the rise of authoritarian regimes in the interwar period may not have occurred. The Second World War, which began in 1939 and lasted for 6 years, was even more devastating than the first. It resulted in the deaths of an estimated 70 million people and had a profound impact on the global economy and political landscape. The war led to the formation of the United Nations and the establishment of the post-war international order. If the Second World War had not happened, it is possible that the United States would not have become the superpower it is today. And the Cold War, which shaped global politics for several decades, may not have occurred. In short, if both world wars had not happened, the world would be a vastly different place, with a different political, economic, and social landscape. However, it is impossible to know exactly how history would have unfolded in their absence, and we can only speculate on what might have been. That's a serious loss. With that fact out of the way, I want to end this video. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, it means a world to me.